She is afraid blank the dog. Of, from, with. Afraid. Afraid, guys, takes of. Afraid of. Not from, not with, because it's a common mistake. We arrived blank the airport. To and at. Arrived takes in or at. In with cities and countries, and at with specific places or buildings. In the question here, we have the airport. It's a place, right? Not a city, not a country, so we use at here. Arrived at the airport. Be careful, blank, the dog. From, of, for. What do we use with careful, guys? Well, careful takes of, and this is the most common one. And sometimes we see careful with and careful about. But careful of is the most commonly used one. So the answer here is of. He traveled blank train yesterday. By, with, in. The keyword here is train. Listen, guys, we travel by train, by plane, by taxi, by bus. We use by with means of transportation. So this is the correct answer. Congratulations, blank, your wedding. For, about, on. Congratulations always take on. We congratulate someone on something, not for, not about. A lot of people have died, blank, coronavirus. Died with, died from, died of. What does die take? Died of. People die of illness, die of hunger, die of thirst. So of is the correct answer. My car is different, blank, yours. Different than, different from, different of. I guess most of you would go for than, but it's incorrect. The correct answer is from, different from. Not than, guys, because my students usually do this mistake. Sally was married, blank, Peter. Married to, married with, married by. Also, this is another common mistake. I hear people say married with, but it's actually incorrect. Married to and engaged to. So, to is the correct answer. The jar is full, blank, honey. With, from, of. Full, we always say full of. But filled with. So, this jar is full of honey. Or, this jar is filled with honey. So, full takes of. My sister is good, blank, cooking. At, on, of. Look, guys, we always say good at, bad at, clever at, slow at. So, at is the correct answer. Look, blank, the beautiful bird. To, at, for. Well, this part is important, guys. Focus. Look takes at, and it takes after, and it takes for. But they have different meanings. Look at means see. Look after something means take care of it. Look for something means to search for it or to try to find it. So, which one should we use here in this sentence? Here it says, look, the beautiful bird. Look here means see. Here is see, so we take at. So, look at. Do you think look for works here? Like look for the beautiful bird means search for it or try to find it? Let me know in the comments if you see it correct too. I prefer iPhone, blank, Samsung. From, on, to. The keyword here is prefer. We say prefer something to something. So prefer takes to, not more than, guys. Because I hear this a lot. I prefer coffee more than tea. Incorrect. I prefer coffee to tea. Thank you for watching.